Do you want to speak English confidently but don't know how to practice every day? Today, I will share my simple daily English practice routine that helps me to improve my English speaking skills. So, hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Kavya. This is me, Kavya, and here I will share my study routine using 5 simple activities. So, don't forget to watch this video till the end, and without wasting our time, let's get start the video. So, first thing I do is reading. Yes, friend, I read when after waking up, I just read for 20 to 30 minutes. I mean, 3 4 pages every day I read. So, first thing, reading, and I always take a pen with me whenever I read because there are so many vocabulary. So I just when I find new vocabulary, so I just underline words and write down in my copy. So as you can see, I have taken pen, and from that book I found so many vocabularies. I mean 4 5 vocabularies. As you can see, I have written in my copy. So whenever I find a new vocabulary, so I write in my copies, and not only the words but also with examples, 2 3 examples. So the words are gracious, it means kind, polite. Innumerable, it means countless. Creed, a set of beliefs. Earthquake, it means bhukam, disaster, damage or loss. So I have written in my copy, and I will just read after 2 days and 5 days, so that I can remember for long. The book I read is How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories. So this is the book I am reading. I have been reading, and I have another. It is The Lost Temple. The Magic of the Lost Temple, I think. A beautiful line I read here is, if one man studies, only one person is educated, whereas if one lady studies, the entire family is educated. How beautiful. So, in the morning, I do only 2 exercises, I mean activities, that are first reading, then learning vocabulary, and evening time I do listening practice, and I do while I listen while doing my work, but active listening is also very important. So I also do active listening. So I listen podcast or conversation, whatever it is, I just listen actively. And next I do speaking practice. So now this day I have been using peer app application, that is speaking application, where you can find co-learner, real human being. So with them I practice every day for 30 minutes, and 30 minutes with chat gpt. So that's how I have been doing my speaking practice. And before sleeping I write whatever thoughts come in my mind. I mean, what was my day, and what will I do. So, and my routine, my daily routine. So whatever comes in my mind I just write, but I'm not fond of writing. Sometimes I write, not on daily basis. So that's how I am doing my English practice. So this is my simple study routine, and I have been following this when I started learning this language. But initially I was not doing listening, I mean reading or writing practice. I was only doing listening and learning daily use sentences or vocabulary. But eventually I included this in my daily life, and I have this habit to read, write, and listen, speak. So yeah, this is my simple study routine. So if you don't have any study plan, so you can also do that and improve your English. So if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.